Hey guys, welcome back to Shona Land. In this video, I'll be teaching you one of the common Shona phrases when parting from your loved ones. Okay, so the phrase or the word that I'm going to teach you today is goodbye. How do you say goodbye in Shona? You say musare zvakanaka. Musare zvakanaka. Okay, so when someone says goodbye to you, or when someone says musare zvakanaka, this is how you respond. You respond saying mufambe mushe. Mufambe mushe. It's like you're saying travel well or go well. So to recap, if someone says goodbye, which is in Shona musare zvakanaka, musare zvakanaka, you respond saying mufambe zvakanaka. That's like go well or travel well. Thank you guys for watching. This brings us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, to leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. For the love of Shona, see you in the next one. Ndatenda.